Yes, good afternoon, good people. It is actually the afternoon. It is the time right now is 2:35, all right? And I'm here in Kiamunyi, mahali inaitwa Nax Ville. Sasa hapa nyuma there is this a quarter acre, all right, plot, and it is on the market. Sawa, it is on the market. This is a good place, the lush green Kiamunyi. Do you see the neighbors up? Do you see the neighbors? Do you see the project on my right pale? What is going on? That is the kind of project actually that you can set up. From here to the main road, to the main Nakuru Kabarak road, is just 150 meters straight on, but the road doesn't go straight. Unafika pale mbele, there is a nested road, then it goes left, or it can go right straight to Optiven. Then of course you get to the main road. So that is the location, very near. Our landmark is Nax Ville. Nax Ville, even if you search on the map, just search Nax Ville Kiamunyi and you search, you will see where Nax Ville is. That it is just right there from where I am. Straight on is 150 meters again. So perhaps you are looking for a place to build your home, all right, here in Kiamunyi, in the lush green Kiamunyi in Nakuru. This is a great place. Perhaps you're looking to set up, you're looking for a place you can do an investment, perhaps set up an apartment. This again is ideal for that. Sawa. And the location especially is really superb. This is a prime area, okay? And the parcel is available for 10 million Kenya shillings, 10 million only, and in cash, all right? That is the desired option as of now. When it comes to the facilities around, there's immediate here I can see an electric pole, sawa. Alongside pale there's a fiber pole, so fiber internet. These neighbors here, yeah, I can see it goes all the way down. So internet is here, steamer is here. Water in Kiamunyi, in some places you have to sort yourself, you have to know how you will get water, and that is a fact. In terms of security, in this neighborhood, from the look of things, and there's actually a gate, right? Some of these place has got courts. They have courts in here. I live here, all right? I've lived here for like 2.5 years. Sawa. And of course, if you set up your own thing here, the beauty of you setting up your nini here is that pale already a perimeter wall has been done by your neighbor on that side, and even on that side a perimeter wall has been done for you. So for you, you'll only do here and across, right, on that side. And then of course your gate will definitely be here at the front, just like the neighbors. I can see this one, their gate is right there. That one, they have the gate like that, and so forth. But especially, by the way, if you want a place you can invest, look at that apartment. I mean, that apartment really gives me inspiration for a place like this. If you want a place that you can invest, this is a great place. But as well, if you want to build your home here, like I've said, that's another option. So up to that point, for more details, my number is on the screen. Call me, engage me. This facility has got a ready title deed. This parcel, the title deed is ready. So what else? Danka, my videographer, I think we are done. So for more questions, just drop them in the comment section, and of course you can always WhatsApp me or email me and I will respond. Up to that point, see you in the next one. Live to you again from the lush green Kiamunyi. The hair hapa inakuanga so fresh throughout. All right, see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru. Remember, EZRA ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. And even now when it comes to plot hunting, I am still the way, the truth, and the only way. See you in the next one.